Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I have some breaking news. It seems like every single day there's breaking news for Crypto.com, and it's real. Here we are again with Crypto.com securing more regulatory approval, moving into more regions of the world, and offering crypto to more investors. Today, we're going to talk about how Crypto.com is one of the first to get a certain regulatory approval in Dubai, making history today. Really, guys, if you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and I want to talk about some comments from the CEO of Crypto.com, what this news is specifically, and where we can go from here for Crypto.com. Take a peek at the charts, where we're at, and what comes next. Let's get into it, guys. So today, cryptocurrency is doing pretty well. Bitcoin is just below $70,000, still floating above its previous all-time high from the previous bull market at $69,075. Today, we're slightly above that, which is fantastic. Cronos coin specifically has been hanging out in the top 50 for the entirety of the bear market through the beginning of this bull market. And what many people are expecting next is a parabolic bull run when Bitcoin breaks previous all-time highs with force. And then we have some kind of altcoin rally. Ideally, Cronos, with the steps that they've been taking, with the steps that Crypto.com has been taking, is certainly headed in the right direction. I'm very bullish on this coin. We talk about it all the time. Currently at a $3.8 billion market cap. Everything's red today for the most part, except for, mostly everything's red today. So nothing's hot in the market. The fear and greed index has gotten slightly greedier, but let's look at what's going on right now with this story for Crypto.com. In this quick little update. So Crypto.com has officially obtained a full Dubai operational license. As a first step, institutional investors will be able to use the Crypto.com exchange. So institutional investors now in Dubai are going to be able to use Crypto.com services. This is not retail traders like you and me. Really, this is anybody that's got over $1 million that they're willing to put into the Crypto.com institutional investor platform. This was at one point released in the United States. Actually, they had to pull back their services on this because of strict regulatory regime that's going on in the United States. But now they've expanded into Dubai. Now, what is so significant about this story is this development makes it a first for a global crypto firm to be operational with Fiat, the dollar, in the UAE. This is very, very significant, guys. Singapore-based digital asset exchange Crypto.com has received full operational approval from Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority for its local entity. CRO Middle East FZE is now VARA's public register, and as a first step, institutional investors, and again, it says as a first step, key words there, institutional investors in the United Arab Emirates will now be able to use the Crypto.com exchange. Again, the key here, guys, is first step, which means what? It means they're going to expand it further. They're going to expand the institutional exchange to other parts of the world, probably bringing it back to the US at some point when USA gets a little more crypto friendly. But first step meaning not only for institutional investors, but for retail traders like you, like me. Not only smart money, but the dumb money too, like us, guys. That is coming. That is more expansion ahead for Crypto.com. And when you just look at the CEO of Crypto.com, Kris, and his Twitter, he's got a lot of followers. But what's more important, guys, is they've been taking a lot of steps. They got licensure milestones in Singapore, which has been fantastic. Now he's talking about how they're the first global operator, securing full operational approval in Dubai, bringing this story into the forefront, guys. This is very significant, and this is just one more move on top of the recent news that we saw about them expanding into South Korea, guys. This is huge. Dubai has a lot of money sitting around. There is a lot of wealthy people in Dubai, and that is a lot of volume that could come to the Crypto.com exchange, which you're going to want to see if you're trying to be bullish on Crypto.com. Now, for Cronos, guys, this is significant as well because easily, very easily, when you use Crypto.com, the app, not the institutional exchange per se, but when more people are coming into the Crypto.com app, what are they going to learn? They're going to learn that there's a Crypto.com DeFi app as well. And that Crypto.com DeFi app is a Web3 wallet that introduces them to the Cronos chain, where the CRO token is the utility token on that chain, guys, and that's going to be significant. And again, this story today is about the institutional exchange, But as more money starts pouring in and as institutions start making more money with crypto and start adopting crypto and more countries say, hey, crypto's okay, then we're going to see the app Crypto.com get expanded into more regions of the world. And what I want to highlight for you guys today is I actually did a short that's coming out later tonight about Crypto.com and this story. I don't know if you guys know this, but in the United States right now, Crypto.com and the finance app is ranked number 24. Coinbase is ranked number 25. And Robinhood is number 20. Think about that, guys. Robinhood is number 20. Robinhood offers options. It offers stocks. It offers 401ks, IRAs. It offers so many different things. And Crypto.com is just offering crypto. This shows you how significant it is, guys. Rank number 24 for Crypto.com versus rank number 20 for Robinhood. That's pretty significant and a very, very successful thing to see for Crypto.com. There have been so many moves in the right direction for this exchange. I'm very excited. We want to see Crypto.com continue to make progress, and we want to see the Cronos chain continue to gain in popularity. Now, when you look at Crypto.com versus other EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible chains, here's the list of them. Binance is up there, Arbitrum is up there. What you want to see, guys, if you want to continue to be bullish and see positive strides in the right direction for Crypto.com and Cronos, you're going to want to see the Cronos chain continue to compete against these other EVM chains. We could compare them to all the chains out there, but today I'm just looking at it versus EVM chains. When you look at it versus all chains, Cronos is ranked number 13 versus the other EVM chains. It is right now ranked number 10. And what I want to look at today with you guys is if you look at the progress over the last 7 days, besides base, and besides Blast, Crypto.com is right here towards the top of the ranks in the top 10 in terms of how much more volume is coming in, total value locked up in the ecosystem over the last 7 days. Making strides in the right direction. We want to continue to see progress like this if we're for all the CRO holders out there. Also, what we're looking at right now is the CRO versus Bitcoin chart, CRO versus BTC. This has been headed in the right direction. We broke out of a significant trend line right there that I have had drawn for quite a while now. We've kind of halted. We're kind of turning into a little bit of a wedge pattern here. Hopefully this wedge kind of breaks out to the upside, and if I could even draw it a little bit better for you guys, I would. There's a little bit of a wedge forming in here. If you can see it, I'm going to just actually do it live on this video. So some kind of wedge similar to this, guys. I'm kind of just drawing it very quickly, but we're coming to the end of this wedge. And at some point at the end of this wedge, Bitcoin and CRO versus Bitcoin is going to have a major breakout, and it could be to the upside and it could be to the downside, but I do expect us to probably buy at least April 24th. And what do you know, April 24th, that's the Bitcoin halving, guys. That's very close to the Bitcoin halving. Everybody's waiting. If you're waiting for CROcoin to break out versus Bitcoin, if you're waiting for CROcoin to break out versus the US dollar, and we did have a nice little move from the bottom, but we're still waiting to absolutely blast off back to 20, 30, 40, 50 cents, and eventually $1. You want to see that happen? Well, then you got to keep rooting for Bitcoin. It's been 35 days so far for Bitcoin since it's wicked above its previous all-time highs back from the 2021 bull market. Historically, we've seen it take 55 days for Bitcoin to consolidate around the previous highs and break out to the next level. 18 days in the most recent bull market. I think it's going to happen between 55 days and 18 days in this bull market as well. It doesn't have to happen, but that's just my opinion. Let me know if you guys agree with that in the comments down below. Certainly a very good day for Crypto.com. If you disagree with anything or if you have any opinions on the matter, please let me know what your thoughts are down below, guys. I appreciate each and every single comment we get on this channel, but that's all I got for you on this quick update today. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.